Hi lovelies, and welcome back. On this video I'll be showing you how to make this style. If you have not seen the video of how I made this crochet extension using expression, please, I'll leave the link in the description box below, so you should watch it. Okay, so if you want to know how I achieved this, kindly keep watching. I would like to say thank you to all my existing subscribers. Thank you so much for subscribing. Thank you for watching my videos. Thank you for liking. Thank you for commenting. Thank you so much. And if you're new to my channel, I really appreciate you. Please keep watching, kindly subscribe, turn on the notification bell so you get notified anytime I post a new video. Thank you so much. Love you guys. Okay, so just watch how I make my cornrows and I'll be right back.
Drove down to my base while I
mousse, I went ahead to trim it. I didn't do justice to the trimming because I can still see some strands dangling at the back, but I still went over it and trimmed them again. And then I added some edge control to my edges, and I was super excited at how the hair turned out. Come on, keep them. I was just so excited that the hair came out really nice. And in fact, my friends, people who saw the hair, did not believe that it was made from extension. Like, they just felt it was one made in factory made extension like that, until I told them it was made from extension, and they were wowed. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed watching, and let me know if you try this style. Please don't forget to leave a comment down below, like, subscribe, and share my video. Thank you so much. Love you guys. Bye.